Weekend na naman. At alam na ang ibig sabihin. Araw ng pagsasama-sama. At syempre, hindi makakaligtaan ang kumain sa masarap na resto. Tiyak, makakatikim na naman tayo ng masarap na putahe. Tara, kain tayo. Hindi naman tayo excited. Isa lang naman lagi pinupuntahan, DFC lang, pero bakit lagi tayo excited?
Sasayaw-sayaw pa!
Ayun ako. Tara na guys, sama kayo. Mag-DFC ulit tayo. May papuputulan kami. Ayan o. Nandito na si Jedy. Sakay na tayo kay Jedy. Ang ganda talaga ni Jedy. Ang gwapo, ang pogi oh. Ay nako. At habang bumabiyahe kami, nakita namin na halos wala na pala kaming gasolina. Kaya dumaan muna kami sa Wukod. Ito ang pangalan ng gasolinahan dito.
Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nando's. Medyo kakaiba tong kakainan natin ngayon.
Nice camera. You vlogging also?
Yeah. A little.
Sometime you go mini outside. And you can have food with family. You can make video.
Yeah.
Then you starting that one, and then after that you can change to different place. Yeah.
One order of all-in-one platter.
All in one place.
Then chicken liver and pork ribs raw.
Okay. The chicken roll won't be extra, or inside like that.
Again, sorry.
With this one and extra roll, or it's like this one? No, it's all in one, like. Okay. You mentioning.
I want all-in-one platter. One order of this one.
Yeah.
And then I want one chicken liver and
Liver.
pork ribs.
Okay.
And then
Me still sleeping, that's why. Because I'm just now coming back to my country, that's why it's.
I came back from vacation.
Yeah. No. Actually, I'm going to cancel. I'm back to come back again in Nando's. 22 months, I will back. I miss this place. Yeah. Nepal.
Nepal. You look like a Filipino.
Filipino? Most of all. Okay.
And one hummus with chicken livers also.
Also, hummus with chicken liver. Little spicy.
Little spice.
Yeah, lemon herb.
Is that the best seller?
Yeah, this is normally everyone can eat like that. For the rest of the peri-peri sauce, I will give you separate.
Thank you. And then please add casa panush.
That's up for this.
Full platter. Full platter 150. Liver, chicken liver. Chicken liver 32. Some order 70.
If you put this one make more tasty, but try little bit maybe you like or not like. You pray already? Yeah. Okay. My one brother always call. He also prays. But my brother also pray. Enjoy it. And this one after this.
Magarbo man o simple, ang kainang sama-sama ay nagbibigay ng saya at sigla sa ating puso at damdamin. Ikaw, masaya ka bang kasama ang pamilya mo?
Kaya nga ito mukbang. Mukbang to guys.
Ito guys, medyo hindi naman namin nasimot pero kahit paano, medyo ubos-ubos. Ubos-ubos.
Lusog.
Ubos-ubos. Hindi ko siya.
Ito, hindi na. Ito na lang. Ay, ito wag na to.
At guys, alam nyo ba kung magkano inabot nito?
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. So, 1, 2, 3, tako.
Kung tutuusin, halos paulit-ulit lang din ang routine namin dito kapag weekend. Pero dahil ang minamahal kong pamilya ang kasama ko, hindi ako magsasawang gawin ang mga bagay na ito. Dahil habang marami pang oras at pagkakataon, magsasaya ako ng lubusan sa grasyang pinagkaloob sa akin ng ating Panginoon. Dito sa Qatar, ito po ang Noel Travel Vlogs at ito ang kwento naming pamilya.